Today, we will talk about how to deter burglars. Let's have a look at the details. Knowing that your home is safe and secure can provide you and your family some peace of mind. A security system can help protect your home in the case of a burglary, but there are also things you can do to deter burglars from even attempting to break into your home in the first place. The first step is making your home a less desirable target. Think like a burglar. A burglar will want as much time alone and undisturbed in your house as possible. This will allow them to take what they want without being caught. You can prevent your home from being targeted by burglars by getting into a burglar mindset, which will help you shore up weak points in your home protection. Know the main routes of burglar ingress. Certain avenues into your house are more popular among burglars. Reinforce entrances to your home visibly. Obvious reinforcements will make your home a less desirable target. Retrieve the post as soon as you return home. The accumulation of mail at your front door, letterbox, or mailbox could indicate to a burglar that you're on vacation and that your home is ripe for robbing. Post signs to indicate extra security. This is a good tactic even if you don't have a security system or a dog. Beware of the dog signs can be placed at the entrance of your home or in your front yard. Maintain the landscaping of your property. A lawn that is patchy or excessively long can indicate to potential burglars that you are away and make your home vulnerable. The second step is deterring burglars with physical measures. Get a dog. If a burglar approaches your home and hears a dog barking, they're more likely to move on to the next house, not just because of the sound, but also because of the potential of being bitten. Even small dogs can make a home less desirable to a burglar. Hide valuables from sight. New television sets, expensive and highly portable. Laptop computers, jewelry, and other valuables can be extra tempting to prowling burglars. Plant thorny bushes and shrubs strategically. Thorny bushes, shrubs, and trees that are planted outside windows will make it more difficult for burglars to enter using these access points. Purchase and make use of lighting timers. These can be bought at most hardware stores and are excellent, cost-efficient ways of making your home look occupied and undesirable to burglars. Put in a real or imitation security system. Professional security systems offer many advantages to home protection, often providing services like monitoring and improved police response. But even if a professional-grade system is out of your price range, you can still purchase fake security cameras from your local hardware or home security store to achieve a similar effect. Add security bars outside your windows. Security bars that you can attach to the outside of your windows can be bought at most hardware stores and are a sturdy, high-visibility deterrent. The third step is establishing burglary prevention habits. Keep your vacations private on social media. It's not likely that you have to be cautious about your Facebook friends breaking into your home, but information about your trip can travel quickly among acquaintances and friends of friends. Cancel subscriptions while away from home, or you could always arrange for a trusted neighbor to collect your mail while you are away. Store garbage in your garage or an enclosed area. Join or start a neighborhood watch. Regular patrols will make you more likely to notice strange cars or people that don't belong in your neighborhood. This can also cut down on the opportunities burglars have to evaluate your house for future theft. Inspect your property for signs of a break-in regularly. Take a stroll around your property every other week or so, and check that all your security measures are in place and untampered with. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.